Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Wednesday, September the 16th, 2020. Yes, the second Sudoku is a Two Stars Sudoku, and this one will be a number 15441. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. The 1-star Sudoku has 27, the 2-star Sudoku I think 26, but let me check if this is correct. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 3 is 18, plus 4 is 22, plus 4 is equal to 26. Yes, correct. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I use? How about the number? We see here in the first column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 4. 7 and the 4 we have in this big square, so no 7 and the 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. That means the other 3 missing numbers are the 2, the 6, the 2, the 6, and I see here the 6 in this row and a 6 in that row, so no 6 in those 2 boxes, so the 6 goes here. The other 2 boxes should be the 2 and the 8. The 2 and the 8. Let me mark them. It's a pair. Alright. Can we do this again with other numbers? Let me see. 3, 9. In this, 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 5 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. We see here 7 also, no 7 there. So the only place for the 7 should be there. Then. Alright. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in the middle column are the 3 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3, 8, 4. We see here 4 and an 8, so no 4 and an 8 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 3. The 4 and the 8 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. Yes. Alright. And now 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those numbers are the 1, the 6, and the 4. 1, 6, 4. I see here 1 and a 4, so no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1 digit left in the last row for the number 6. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 4, 3, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 3, the 4, and the 9. I see here 3, so no 3 there. I see here 4, so no 4 there. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 3 and a 4. It's a pair. It's a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. Then 3, 7, and 3, 7, and 2. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 7. 2, 3, 7. I see here 2 and a 7. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. So the 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 3. Then how about we have a 4 here in this big square. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. Otherwise we have double 4. So this should be a 7. And in this first column this should be a 4. Alright. So we have a pair. I see 7 in this row, 7 in that row. Same like the 4 in this row, a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So the 7 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. 7 and the 4, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9, I cannot fill this yet, but it's a pair. Let me mark them for you. 8 and 9. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. It's a pair. It's a pair. A lot of pairs in this one. Let me see. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be an 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8 and this should be a 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be a 3. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and a 9 is missing. Let me mark them for you, 5 and a 9, because I cannot fill this yet. This is also 5 and a 9. Yeah. That means in this row, the second row, we need a 1 Those three missing numbers are the 159, 159. So the 1 should be in one of these two boxes. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 5 and the 9 are missing now in the second row. We see here 5, so no 5 there, 5 should be there, and the 9 goes in there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 1. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. These two numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can see, yes. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 2. How about yes, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3. Alright. How about the 2 in this row, a 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 6. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 4. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 9. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 5. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing here. Let me mark them for you. 6 and 7, it's a pair. How about these two? The 8 and the 9 are missing. Same story, it's a pair. These two boxes in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 and the 8 are missing here. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this can't be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 9. We have a 7 here, so this can't be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be a 6. 2 boxes left in this row. Oh, wait. We have a 9 here, so this can't be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be an 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be there, and an 8 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later. With the third Sudoku, it will be a 3 stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.